This is DiShWaShEr. As you can see, this is DiShWaShEr. This will be Arcade's tutorial on how to load a dishwasher. First, you want to pull up the top here. I have Tupperwares. They go at the top. Tiny dishes and bowls can go at the top. Cat bowl thingy where you put their tuna or whatever in. That goes on top. This goes on top. Now you want to grab your utensils. Spoons, knives, forks, whatever. You open that up. You can put them in any way you want, but you can also put them in order. Chopsticks. You can either put them like that, or you can put them at top on their side. I put them like that. This goes up here for daily sandwich routine. Boom, just like that. This is good. You put this down there. Chalkboards also go down here. So far, hope you haven't quit the video. Dishwashers. A bowl. That goes right here. Cups. Where do I put cups? Up here, but in the corners, up the rows. That's where you put cups. You'll stuff in a glass of water? No worries. Pour it down the sink. A cup. Corner. I'm doing a good job. You got two big guys. What do? Oh, you place them down there. No, you place them up here. You could place them down there, but they wash better up here. Trust me. Big pan. Big boy pan. Goes there. Let's see what else do I have here. I have a spoon. Stuff, but that can get clogged right there. You wash out the bowl. Then you put bowl up here. So far, so good. Now you want to grab more dishes. Put more dishes in the proper spots. Oh, food. Don't worry. If it's leftovers, you can just feed it to the dog. But me, I am a good person. I feed my dogs meats and all the needs a dog needs. So far, so good. No socks, no good. But I'm good. I got fork, bowl of food, here you go, num num. Check. Used to have cheesecake, all gone. Put that right there. You got more Tupperwares. Smells like chili. About to throw up. Don't worry. put it up there. You should have something that sort of looks like this. This is my way of loading a dishwasher. You close that. That's done. Now we just need to work on him. Let me just mosey on over here and grab the thingy. Glass top for stuff. Now you want to grab, I do not recommend this part, but sometimes it can work out. Try to find one with the least grease or anything as possible. Usually you wash big dishes in a sink by hand. Get up! Boom! Now, so far, so good. How did I miss you, Mr. TuToRiAl? Open up the top. I know I said I was finished. Try to see if there's any room you can place it. Do not cover the top. No room? Go down here. I guess it'll go in that corner. Look at the dishwasher. Almost full. Good job, my friends. You loaded a dishwasher. Let's close it. I forgot. Open it. Aggressively. Not really. Hand. Underneath here. There is that spinny propeller. You need to spin it. Make sure it doesn't hit all the dishes. 3, 2, 1, spin. No dishes. Now is the time to close it? Wrong! You want to grab this. You want to, not in there. You want to grab these. Now if I can just open them. Ah yes, my trusty friend, the scissors. Chop. This bag seems to be impenetrable. No worries. My man strength. Who needs scissors? Look at all these juicy little friends. Do not eat them. If you eat them, you're stupid. These are not edibles. You want to close that bad boy up. Open. Close. B buttons. If it's messy, you click rinse only. But they're not. You go to normal wash, start. And that's, my friends, how to load a dishwasher. Da-da-da-da.